Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to run diagnostics on a MacBook Air M5. In order to run the device diagnostics on this laptop, we're first gonna have to turn it off. So to do that, navigate to the Apple menu and select Shutdown, then confirm by clicking Shutdown once again. After that, wait until the device is completely turned off and start holding down the power button in order to turn it on in the boot mode. So press and hold the power button and do not release it. After you see the Apple logo, you will see continue holding for startup options message, and once it changes to loading startup options, you can release the power button and then just wait for the startup options to appear on your screen. Now here we're gonna have to use the combination of Command+D, so press both keys together and keep holding them until the message on your screen changes to doesn't change, so until your device screen goes off, and this will start a diagnostics menu on your device. Okay, so once you see this screen, you're gonna have to click continue and then continue to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Select the one that you already know and that you have been connected to, so that you don't have to enter the password to it, and click continue. Agree to repair privacy. And then click continue to open the diagnostics menu. And in the diagnostics menu that will show up in a couple of seconds, we'll be able to see the diagnostics for different parts of the MacBook. Therefore, you'll be able to separately perform diagnostics for all of your device's parts. The default diagnostics is the Mac Resource Inspector, which will provide a quick check of the hardware and software. But if you want a specific hardware diagnostics, like display, keyboard, trackpad, touch ID, or audio, then run one of the following. So once again, if you want to run the full diagnostics for your device, run the first option. For other diagnostics, perform the following one. So let's run the basic diagnostics for our Mac, and we'll see the results. And once the diagnostics are finished, you'll be able to check each part of your hardware and software. Well, software is a separate element here. So as you can see, the power port didn't complete the diagnostics because my device isn't currently charging. Therefore, if you see the yellow triangle next to power port diagnostics and so your device is not connected to the charging cable, don't worry about it. Most probably the current test failed because no power adapter was detected. Now, if you have an issue with any other hardware or software element, you'll be able to see them on this list. However, if you see the green circle, that means that no issue was identified with your hardware or software. To restart your computer, navigate to Apple and select Restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.